Mjolo Will Humble You by Ntendeni Luvhengo. Episode 4, Pit Toilet. Brace yourselves, Bazalwane. It gets worse. As I'm talking right now, I'm sitting on a pit toilet. Yes, the one where you offload in a pit and wipe with a newspaper. Yebo, that one. No water, no flushing. Exactly. Yes, a whole me. Sorry for the foul smell, ne, Bazalwane? But as Venda people say, ahuna ringajitaho. Nothing we can do. It is what it is. It is dark in the village. It's right after 1 a.m. The perfect time to encounter witches during their business operation hours. This is not Josie, Bazalwane. We are in a random village in Limpopo. And certain hours must find you hibernating under your thickest blankets. 11 p.m. to around 3 a.m. are hours where you hear funny things and encounter strange happenings in the village. Diabuyapa. I hate to say it, but those Limpopo stereotypes have proved to be true, Bazalwane. We are in the first stage of load shedding for the day. Eskom definitely making it easier for witchcraft to thrive in the dark. Yeah, ne? How did we get here, you ask? I was awakened by my exploding bowels, definitely making sure that my first night in the village was hell. I'm offloading all the tripe I ate yesterday. I arrived home to find my favorite African dish waiting for me. Oh, thank you, Mom. My mom prepared my favorite African dish as a welcome back home gift. Mutuku, traditional fermented venda pap and tripe. I can taste it right now. Wow. Brace the way I like it in a fire for more than an hour. Man, did I eat half the pot of tripe by myself. And man, am I stinking up the village offloading everything in the middle of the dark night. My body had to go from sushi and ramen and all those ntoni what Japanese rice dishes to wholesome vendor delicacies in so little time. I woke my mother up, squeezing my legs and butt to avoid offloading in the house. I cannot use the indoor toilet because, remember there's no water? Pit toilet it is. Mawe, ndikoto humbera. Please, kabata banye bavuwe bampelekeze toilete. Mawe, ndikoto humbera. I urged my mother in the middle of the night. I was so pressed, ne? I think I remember rushing to the toilet before my mother even unlocked the kitchen door. I think I remember offloading in the toilet before she even woke up and opened the door. Gross. Ugh. I'm offloading in a pit toilet that's more than 20 years old, breathing the same air as the crap I took when I was a child. Ugh. Ew. Bazalwane, all the waste ever released in the past 20 years by family, relatives, Jim and Jack, and random strangers who ever passed by our house, ne, is right below me. I'm breathing the same air as crap taken in the past 20 years. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. Just the thought of it. Imagine my first night back home. I'm offloading all the yummy tripe I ate last night. One hand is shooing away flies that are fighting for my ass. There are flies and insects flying in the dark pit below, fighting for the rare midnight snack that is my ass. The horror. Ugh. Mom is waiting for me outside in the cold, in the dark, reminding me to finish. She's sleepy. I woke her up from a beauty sleep. It's a disaster. Anipezi. She says every now and then as I'm offloading. I cannot even wash my hands of this grossness. Remember there's no water? Welcome back to South Africa, you fake wannabe Japanese. Why did you even leave Japan, Nana? Why are you here? You should have stayed there and died there, Nana. There's nothing for you here in this country. This is Mzansi, Baba. Welcome back to Africa. Welcome back to reality. Enough. That's it. I've seen it all. Bazalwane, I'm finished.